Hi Algebra. I'm on page 11. I'm going to do one problem of factoring just to recap that because that hasn't really been in the videos. The videos have been completing the square. So to recap factoring, when we're doing that, we want to get it equal to 0. So I'm going to add 4x squared, and the reason I'm adding the 4x squared to that side instead of moving those two over is because I want to keep the x squared term positive. And then I have plus 24x plus 11. Now, if I was doing completing the square, I would want that on the other side. I would want those two together and that on the other side. But I'm not, I'm doing factoring. There's no GCF. I don't have an x in all of them. I can't take a 4 out of 11 or anything like that. So I'm ready to start factoring. So keep in mind, A, B, C. A times C goes up here. B goes down here. They're both positive. Here's where I would go to y equals. And I would do 44 divided by x. And then if you go to the table, you're looking for two numbers that add to 24, okay? Those two numbers are 22 and 2, both positive. Positive 22 times 2 gives me 44. Positive 22 plus 2 gives me 24. So recall, that means those replace the middle term. I don't really want to run out of room. I'm going to go over here for the other part. 4x squared plus 22x plus 2x plus 11. And now we have to take a GCF out. And this is not the easy one where it's just an x squared in that first box. I have a 4x squared, so I have to think. Can I take a 4 out of all that? No, but I can take a 2x out. And if I take a 2x out there, that's going to leave a 2x on top. That's going to leave a plus 11 over there. I don't need the x because it's already taken out. Here, that's going to be a 1. And that looks good for our last box. 11 times 1 is 11. So written in factored form, it's 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 11. All I did was factor it so far. The last part of it is x equals negative 1/2 is one of my answers. And x equals negative 11/2 is the other answer. So I have two answers. If I plug a negative 1/2 into that original, makes it true. If I plug a negative 11 over 2 into that original, makes it true. We solved it. Okay? We solved it. Okay. I'm gonna post the answer key. Actually, you already have the answer key for that page posted. So I'll post this video probably in a separate thing. I'm gonna stop it now and then we're gonna do quadratic formula.